What we have here is a Tatung spinner, possibly made by CEC or Caribbean or something of that nature. Typical of Tatung, it has a nice stencil to the blades. What's neat about this one is the motor is actually rather small. It's a tiny little thing. So let's see what it does. Really, the only reason I have this thing is because it's one of those things I didn't really have before, and it kind of just popped up, so I jumped on it. It's a dinky little spinner. Anyway, now put it to medium. Let's do high. Performance is It's not as fast as many 36-inch spinners. So I mean, it's a step below, say, one of the other CECs with a much larger motor, 36-inch still with the same blade irons. But yeah, it gets the job done. It was probably an economy model when it was new, relatively cheap. Let's watch it coast now. And there you have it, a dinky little Tatung spinner.